Hey, what's up, my lovely viewers all over the world? Welcome to Online Money Hunter. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I have been making money with this particular website called Bitbank. I have been posting and I have been showing you guys how you can go about Bitbank. If you want to know more about Bitbank, all you need to do is just to come to this first video here. Once you are here, watch this video. You can see how I transfer USDT to Bitbank account. Okay, that's these two video. Okay, so what I want to show you right now is how I have been making money. If you come to my community tab here, you click on community tab, just go and watch it. You will see where I started with just $10. Okay, this is me, this is my real account. Can you see that I have 15.50 something USDT? Okay, this is real money. Can you see that this is real money? This is where okay. The second one, if you notice, I invest more and I gain more money. This is, I invest $100 here, that's 100 USDT here, and I have been making money. Can you see that here? I keep making money. This is the amount I have right now. I have 228.5 USDT. Can you see that? Can you see that? All right, if you want to know how I do this, I'm going to show you how I'm trading and making this money. Okay, so all this that I have been showing you here is real money. Okay, keep smashing that subscription button and turning on the notification bell so that whenever I upload video like this, you'll be the first person to watch. And being the first person to watch simply means that you'll be the first person to make money with this my strategy. Keep liking, subscribing, and turn on the notification bell. If you want to join this wonderful platform, all you need to do is just to go to my description below. Once you're in description, you can join by clicking the link on my description. Okay, then you will get yourself here. If you want to also know how you can recharge from Binance to Bitbank, it's very simple. Just go and watch that video that I showed you right now. So without wasting much time, let's go. Let me show you how to do this. Okay, all right, we are here in Bitbank. Okay, if you register, this is how Bitbank look like. If you register, this is how it look like. Then I go to my wallet just to show you that what I just showed you right now is the truth. If you come here, you will see that I have 228.521191 USDT. Okay, this is real money. Okay, if you know how this works, you know that I'm really making money and it doesn't end here. I want to make a lot of money with this website so that you will understand that what I show you here is what I practice. Okay, so these people, they are doing 100 days trading. Okay, they are doing 100 days trading, which is, if you invest in this particular 100 days trading, okay, you get 156 of any amount you invest here. Okay, like I want to invest 200 USDT here. This is it. I want to invest 200 USDT in this particular one, and my returning income is 156, okay, times 2, that's 200 USDT. That's my returning income. And with USDT, that with BBT, free BBT that they will give me, let me show you. If you come to this place, if you come to convert, you will notice that I have 577 BBT. This is their new coin, and this new coin is something they are going to introduce it to Binance in May 2023. So to get more BBT, so that you can, so if you look at it now, you will know that I have just 577. This is just for free. Okay, this is for free. And if I want to sell it like 577, okay, so if I want to sell this particular BBT right now, what I will get is just 6.9817 USDT. That's the amount of USDT that I will get if I want to sell this. But I don't want to sell anything. Okay, I just want to keep this coin till May 1st. Okay, that's the time I want to sell this. So if you want to get more BBT, you will watch other of my video. We see how to get BBT. Okay, but this one is just free of charge without doing anything. So let's go back. So the way I make this money right here, this money the way I make this money is very simple, okay? It's very simple. All you need to do is just to come to this place called Earn, okay? Can you see that place? Earn. Once you click on Earn, you can subscribe to any of this package here. And the only thing you need to do is just to make that deposit, and robot here will trade for you, okay? This robot here, this is intelligent robot that will help you, because those robots know what is happening in the market. They will help you to trade, and you get it, and you get your capital, okay? That's what this robot do here. So the way I make this money is, if I invest in this 100 days USDT, I will make 156%, okay? That's the amount that I will get by investing in 100 days with 100 USDT, okay? So that's that. If I invest with 1000 USDT, I will get 180% of commission, okay? That's the income that I will be expecting, 180%. That's how this works, okay? And this is something that you won't even bother yourself. This robot here will keep doing all the hard work for you. Your own is just to come and collect your money and enjoy yourself, okay? That's the only thing here. So I want to invest this 200 USDT. I want to invest this 200 USDT to Bitbank, okay? I want to invest it. If you want to do so, all you need to do is just to come to this place, okay, this particular place. Can you see that? Once you come to 100 days, you click on this particular one. Once you click on it, you will place the amount you want to invest, okay? As you can see, my balance is 221.5, okay? That's my balance. Sorry. So what I need to do right now is just to put the amount that I want to invest. And I'm expecting 156% of my capital, okay? That's the income that I'll get. So all I need to do here, I want to invest all. So what I need to do is just to click on this particular place, okay? I want to click on all. So once I click on all, the estimated income that I will be getting is 345.61 USDT, okay? So 345.601 USDT. Can you see that? This is the estimated amount that I will be getting. This is the reason why my money keep increasing, okay? This website is not scam so far, because I have been making this money, and if I want to withdraw, I will withdraw it. So all I need to do right now is just to put my password. After putting the password, I'll click confirm. Can you see that? And it starts running right now. So this is what we do just to make money, okay? If anybody tell you that there is free money, okay, you won't make a lot with free money, okay? That's why I want you to participate in this particular platform, because I'm doing it. You are seeing that I'm investing, and you are seeing my results. That's my income. So I believe that if you do the same thing, you will get exact results, or you can invest even more and get more results. That's how this platform works, okay? So you see how I do everything. Everything is genuine and nothing like fake here. I teach you things the way it is, okay? You will also be getting 10 BBT every day, okay? Till 30 days. Every day you'll be getting 10 BBT by doing this particular thing here, by checking in. So all you need to do is just to come to this market. You click on market. Once you click on market, you come to welfare, okay? Once you click on welfare, as you can see, I have been doing this, and I have been getting 10 USDT every day, okay? And as you can see, I have 150 BBT. That's how it works. This is free. And in May 1st, 2023, when this will be listed in Binance, you will know that this is a lot of money, okay? Let's just say by May 1st, and 1 BBT is equal to 1 USDT. Do you know that the money that I made here can make me a millionaire, okay? If I keep investing till May 1st, 2023, when this BBT will be listed on Binance, do you know how much that I will make? So all I want you to do is just to do what others are doing, okay? If we fail, we fail. If we gain, we gain. That's the thing about business, okay? If you are doing business, if you are having the mindset of always failing, you won't go far in business. You make it or not, you must do this. When you have that mindset, you will keep improving in everything you are doing, okay? You see how I do everything here. It's very simple, and I'll be expecting a lot of money in 100 days coming, okay? I want you to make money with me. That's why I'm showing you this. If I don't want you to make money with me, I won't even bother to show you this. So all you need to do, go to my description below, use the link there and register, okay? Then you keep doing what others are doing. If you have any question, WhatsApp group in the description also. Join our WhatsApp group to get more knowledge on this. Thank you and have a nice day. Peace out.